Hi, hello, what's up? Annyeong, hola. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my wash and go routine. So, after washing my hair, I ensure that my hair is detangled before I apply my leave-in conditioner. For leave-in, I use Cantu. Leave-in, I just make sure that I apply it to every section. After I'm finished applying the leave-in conditioner, I apply a curl definer. So I section my hair off and then I begin to apply the product to each section. So I get the product and I begin raking it through each section, making sure I get it as defined as I want it. And I just continue this process throughout my entire head until the curls look the way I want them. Then I leave my hair to air dry.
It almost fell apart right there. Look, wash and go fail. Look.